None of that bellicose attitude.
We live in bellicose times, William.
He always said she was bellicose, whatever that means.
Bellicose. To be ready to fight or argue. मतलब लड़ाकू या झगड़ालू, यानी वो इंसान जो हमेशा लड़ने के मूड में रहता है, जिसे बस बहस करने का बहाना चाहिए. Do you have any bellicose person around you or in your friend circle? Tell me in the comments. Follow for more.
I never took you for an informer, Max.
What do you take me for?
Take someone for. To wrongly assume or believe that someone is a particular type of person. मतलब जब हम किसी इंसान को बिना पूरी सच्चाई जाने कुछ और समझ लेते हैं या उसके बारे में कोई गलत धारणा बना लेते हैं, तो इंग्लिश में हम यूज़ करते हैं टेक समवन फॉर. Here are examples. If you found this lesson helpful, share it with your friends. And don't forget to follow for more daily English vocabulary.
I don't think we are on the same page.
I'm so glad we are on the same page with that.
We are on the same page. To agree with each other or to have the same understanding about something. मतलब जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों की सोच और समझ एक जैसी हो, तब हम यूज़ करते हैं we're on the same page. Here are two examples. Want to build a strong vocabulary? Follow Daily Dost Word for daily new words and their meanings.
These silly words like
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It means extremely good or wonderful. मतलब जब कोई चीज़ बहुत ही अद्भुत या शानदार हो. Here are two examples. Have you ever spoken such a long English word? It has 34 letters. People usually say amazing, wonderful, incredible or extraordinary instead, because this word is mostly used in a playful way. But if you want to challenge your pronunciation, this one's for you. The pronunciation is also given below, so don't forget to check it, and I'll see you tomorrow with another Daily Dost Word.
You're so inquisitive.
That's what makes me so inquisitive.
He's been patient and inquisitive.
Inquisitive means wanting to know or learn more by asking lot of questions. मतलब जो इंसान सवाल पूछकर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जानने या सीखने की इच्छा रखता है, उसे हम inquisitive कहते हैं. Here are two examples. Are you an inquisitive person or do you prefer listening more than asking questions? Tell me in the comments. Follow Daily Dost Word for a new English word every day.
And he had his nose broken by a police baton, and then he came home to St.
Baton charge means an attack by police using heavy sticks to scatter a crowd. मतलब जब पुलिस भीड़ को हटाने के लिए लाठी चार्ज करती है, उसी को इंग्लिश में हम बैटन चार्ज कहते हैं. Here are two daily life examples. So this was part 1 of our news vocabulary series, and today's word was baton charge. So whenever you hear lathi charge in the news, use this word. Follow now so you don't miss tomorrow's word.
An intense police crackdown on known criminal elements has so far netted nothing.
Today you've announced a federal crackdown on people who disgrace national monuments.
Crackdown means a strong action by the government or police to stop illegal activities or protests. मतलब जब सरकार या पुलिस गैर कानूनी गतिविधियों या विरोध प्रदर्शन को रोकने के लिए सख्त कार्रवाई करती है, तो उस कार्रवाई को हम इंग्लिश में क्रैकडाउन कहते हैं. You'll often hear this word in news reports. Have you ever come across this word before? Tell me in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new English word.